What's good, Hilux fans? It's been 5 years since I rolled my car, and I am determined to get this thing back on the road. So like, subscribe, and hopefully, in the end, we'll go sideways again together. Good morning, Hilux fans. It's early, but we're on the road because today we're going for a cruise with some other classic LN106 Hiluxes. I haven't met these boys before, but I'm pretty sure they're pretty cool because they're driving the right car. So I'm gonna hit the freeway, get down to a place called Harvey where there's meant to be some sick four-wheel driving, and we'll check it out. We are on the road to Harvey, and I fixed the hole in the exhaust yesterday because I didn't want the police to give me a yellow sticker, and I don't have this thing under here, the rubber thing, to stop noise, water coming through. But even still, it's so much quieter in the cab. And for a car that has 325,000 clicks without a rebuild, it's driving very nice indeed. Loving it. Can't wait to see these other Hiluxes. I don't know if you can see it on that off-ramp. Two police. They were following me for a while. I was only doing 80 on 110. And they were sitting right in behind me having a good look at Soldier Boy. So I've made it down to Harvey, and in front of me is a pretty ridiculous Hilux. I'll see if I can get a little bit closer. Sick Hiluxes. Look at this one. It's got this bobbed tray. Huge stance on it. 30. It's the business. There's one down there in the forest you can't see, which is a V8 with an M90 supercharger on the top. We've got the first obstacle of the day here. It's some trees decided to have a bit of a lay down there. It's sick. Take my money. Yes. Yes. Keep going, keep going. Yeah. Yeah. One UZ FE supercharged Hilux with a M90 supercharger. Yeah. Money well spent, mate.
Yeah, that went well for me.
Yeah, I loved it. Mad Dog hasn't measured this. It disappears. Uh-oh. That got wet. I think it did store. Give it to Beans! Oh no. So sick. No one's walked this puddle. But there's a deep spot up there. Here we go. Looks like a boat.
I'm gonna do that. I promise one. Easy.
This is so ridiculous, this hill. It just goes, look at this river going down it. Just goes and it goes up there, and then it just skids once it gets up there. But old mate is gonna try this. So cool.
Whee!
Well, we made it to base camp too. The air was getting thin and the macas had affected my heart, but the hardest bit of the climb was yet to come. I reckon you've done pretty good so far. Yeah, you have to make it. There. Give it the beans. Sam's 33s in the wet did not have quite the ground clearance required to get the front diff up the hill. As you can see, it's making plough and we were struggling.
You're on the back. All sorts of diff. But it's making a road there.
Why don't you get portals, mate?
Cheap, get a cheap set of portals.
Yeah, you know what?
We've made some alterations.
Like Tarzan there, eh?
Put that in there. Add some more. There's a whole bunch of rocks in there. And yeah, this ramp sacrifice.
We made some further changes to the hill, but not for the lack of power. We wouldn't make it up today. It was too greasy, so we'll have to come back and do this hill again. Needs a victory. So we drove into this valley, and there's a monster hill that side, and that's couldn't get up it, and then that's the way back out, and we can't exactly get up this hill without a winch, so we're running one snatch strap into that winch there and see if we can get him up the hill.
was sick. Sick. Well, that was fucking awesome. I didn't get enough mud on my car. The other Hilux has got way more muddy. Mad jealous. My tires aren't big enough. My lift isn't adequate. I got so many ideas what I want to do to my Hilux. Wow.